Hi, it's Casey.
And Savannah.
Casey.
And Savannah.
We really had to get a better intro. 1, 2, 3.
Yes, three.
She's a retard. That's all good. We want to make a video because we want people to comment on
Oh
our
my
video.
god.
Savannah, we're recording a video. Okay, so after you watch the video, you should comment on it and then add us as a friend.
And you better like it because this is our fourth time trying this actually. And other
And
ones have been
even though you
horrible.
think it's probably really retarded, it's all good because we don't know what
That's
to.
offensive, Casey.
I take that back. You know you think this might be silly. Um, we'll make better